Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bio World. Now we'll start family. Among family, first we'll discuss about Fabaceae family. This family was earlier called as a Papilionaceae, that is Papilionidae, right? Which is a subfamily of Leguminosae. So earlier it is known as a Papilionoideae and it is a subfamily of Leguminosae. Now let's see some vegetative characteristics. The plant may be tree, shrub, herbs, roots with root nodules, right? Now let's discuss about stem. Stem may be erect, मतलब ऐसे straight हो सकता है, or may be climber, which depends on others. Leaves. Leaves may be alternate, that means we know that from one node only one leaf arises, that is alternate. Pinnate compound leaf. We know that pinnate and palmate, when leaflets are arranged on lateral side of midrib, that is known as the pinnate compound leaf, may be simple, and leaf base may be pulvinate. As we know that if the leaf base is swollen, then it is known as the pulminate leaf base. Stipules are present, so that is stipulate. Venation reticulate. As we know that venation two type, parallel and reticulate. So if there is net-like structure, then it is known as a reticulate venation. Now floral characteristics. Floral characteristics, first we will see inflorescence. That inflorescence may be, or it is of racemose type. We know that two types of inflorescence, racemose and cymose. This is racemose inflorescence. Flowers, they are bisexual and zygomorphic. We know that flower symmetry may be actinomorphic or zygomorphic. We know zygomorphic, which is also known as a bilateral symmetry. Zygomorphic, or which is also known as a bilateral symmetry. Now calyx. Calyx, it contains 5 sepals. Sepals 5 हैं, and that sepals are gamosepalous. So sepals उसके number 5 होते हैं, and the sepals are gamosepalous. As we know that sepals, when they are united, they are known as a gamosepalous. That is here sepals united. So when sepals are united, they are known as a gamosepalous, and when they are free, right? So when they are free, they are known as a polysepalous. In Fabaceae, that estivation is valvate is observed, and in valvate they are attached by their margin. So remember, in old book it is written as a imbricate, but in calyx that sepals gamosepalous, and they show imbricate no, but valvate estivation. So valvate estivation, that means they are fused by their margin. And we know that in valvate estivation only just they touch their margin. So here that sepals 5 and they show valvate estivation. Now corolla. So in corolla there are 5 petals. Petals कितने होते हैं? 5. They are polypetalious, right? So remember that petals 5. They are poly. Poly means we know that they are free from each other. मतलब कि वो मार्जिन से जॉइंट नहीं होते हैं. Papillonaceous, right? That means we know that estivation vexillary papilloneous, or we can say that vexillary estivation. In vexillary estivation we know that there are 5 petals. सबसे जो largest होता है which is known as a standard, then 2 wings and inner 2, right, keel, and these keels are fused, right? So this is standard, then wings and 2 keel fuse, right? That means 1 plus 2 plus 2 fuse arrangement, right? So papillonaceous. Okay, so posterior 1 standard, 2 lateral and 2 anterior, right? That is keel, and which enclose stamen and pistil, that is vexillary estivation, right? So 1 posterior standard, 2 lateral wings and 2 anterior keel. Okay, now next, एंड्रोशियम. एंड्रोशियम की बात करें तो एंड्रोशियम दे आर 10 एंड दे आर डायडेल्फस. डायडेल्फस मतलब 2 ग्रुप में होता है. 9 + 1 ऐसा ग्रुप होता है. 9 फ्यूज होता है, 1 फ्री होता है. सो डायडेल्फस. एंड जो एंथर होता है, दैट एंथर इज डाइथिकस. एंथर कैसा होता है? डाइथिकस. ओके, नाउ gynoecium. Gynoecium, that ovary is superior. Ovary superior, right? So we know that when ovary is superior, that flower is hypogynous. Ovary superior, flower hypogynous. It is monocarpellary, that is having only 1 carpel. Unilocular, only 1 locule, with many ovules. बहुत सारे ovules होते हैं. And style single, एक ही स्टाइल होती है, राइट? भले मोनोकार्पेलरी है, बट जैसे हमें पता है कि भले ही वो समटाइम स्टाइल एक होती है और लोक्यूल ओनली 1 होता है, राइट? चलो, नाउ फ्रूट. दैट फ्रूट, इट इज ऑफ लेग्यूम टाइप, राइट? सीड जो होते हैं 1 और मैनी सीड्स होते हैं, एंड इट इज नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक. कैसा होता है? नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी इट्स फ्लोरल डायग्राम. सो फ्लावर zygomorphic, so its symbol is like this. This is zygomorphic, right? then bisexual, so this is bisexual, K5 fuse, C1 plus 2 plus 2 fuse, calyx corolla, androecium 9 plus 1, gynoecium 1, then ovary superior. So this is floral formula. Now economic importance. So many plants of this family, they are source of pulses, that is like gram, ahar, right, then same moong and soya bean, right. Some are edible oil that is groundnut and soya bean. Some are used as a dye, that is indigofera. Some are as a fibers like sun hemp. Some are used as a fodder, like fodder for animals like Sesbania and Trifolium, and some are ornamental, that is lupine and sweet pea, and some are as a medicine. Example is mulethi, right. So this is economic important. Now let's draw the floral diagram. So first, before drawing floral diagram, let's write floral formula. So floral formula: zygomorphic, bisexual, K5 fuse, C1 plus 2 plus 2 fuse, A9 plus 1, and G1 ovary superior. So whenever we draw floral diagram, first you have to draw that mother axis, right. So here this is mother axis. Now actually that flower, it is zygomorphic, that is bilateral symmetrical. So सबसे पहले आपने ये zygometric है, तो ये उसका symbol है. Now as it is bilateral symmetry and K5, K मतलब कि 5 सेपल्स है, तो सबसे पहले आपको 5 सेपल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. अच्छा 5 है तो आप इसके लिए पेंटागोनल ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, बट ज़ाइगोमॉर्फिक है इसीलिए आप पेंटागोन ऐसे ड्रॉ करोगे. अगर देखो, अगर एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक होता तो आप पेंटागोन ऐसे ड्रॉ करोगे. ओके, सो दिस इज रेगुलर एंड दिस इज ज़ाइगोमॉर्फिक. नाउ सबसे पहले क्या ड्रॉ करना है, 5 सेपल्स. तो ये 1 सेपल, ये दूसरा, ये थर्ड, ये फोर्थ एंड ये फिफ्थ, एंड दे आर गैमोसेपेलियस, राइट. तो यहाँ से आप उसको मार्जिन से ज्वाइन कर लो. अगर आप चाहो तो ऐसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो कि भाई चलो पहले 5 सेपल्स ड्रॉ किए, तो एक ये भी ऑप्शन है, आप ऐसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, बट आई थिंक पेंटागोन इज वेरी इजी. नाउ नेक्स्ट See 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is petals. अच्छा पेटल्स कितने हैं? 5 हैं, सॉरी 5 है, यस, मतलब 1 plus 2 plus 2 फ्यूज. तो चलो सबसे पहले पेटल्स ड्रॉ करते हैं. सबसे पहले 1 ड्रॉ करते हैं स्टैंडर्ड. तो ये हो गया आपका स्टैंडर्ड. देन नेक्स्ट वी नो दैट wings 2, so these are 2 wings and inner 2 lateral keel, so you can see this lateral keel and they are fused, right? So this is petal and 5 petals, 1 plus 2 plus 2. Now androecium. Androecium is here diadelphous, 9 plus 1, but 9 are fused. So first you have to draw here 1. So this is 1, right? And 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 androecium. As this 9 androecium are united. 9 androecium are united, so join like this. So this is 9 androecium. And lastly gynoecium G1. So gynoecium 1 है, right? एंड लेग्यूम है, तो ऐसे मार्जिन के साथ एक सीड जॉइंट होगा, राइट? सो ये हो गया फ्लोरल डायग्राम. सो दिस इज अबाउट फैमिली फैबेसी.